Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the device model and current firmware version so you fetch the correct file. Once done, confirm a backup exists, settings and data, because updates replace system files. Make sure to charge the battery above 50% or plug in. Unstable power corrupts firmware. Next, download the official firmware package and its checksum and open the vendor update tool. You'll avoid problems by preparing the exact files and tools before running any update. You verify the firmware checksum to ensure file integrity, which prevents bricked devices. Then open the update utility, select the downloaded file, and choose whether to preserve user settings or perform a full flash. Picking full flash clears custom configs but fixes deep issues. Start the process and monitor progress bars and logs. Make sure to keep the device connected to power and network. Do not disconnect. If prompted, follow post-reboot steps exactly to complete installation. You finish by confirming the device boots and displays the new firmware version, and then test key functions like networking and peripherals. If everything works, restore settings from your backup and reapply security credentials. If the device fails to boot or features misbehave, try the vendor's recovery or safe mode to reflash the firmware. That often restores a working image. As a final tip, keep logs and checksum records. If needed, you'll provide them to support when asking for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.